Aloha, BNI members and directors. This is Dr. Ivan Meisner, founder of BNI, and I am excited to invite you to our BNI Global Convention in beautiful Hawaii this November. I love BNI conventions. You see all the flags from all the BNI countries, and you hear all the accents from around the world. It's like going to a United Nations meeting where all the countries love each other. It's incredible. Join me for an unforgettable experience filled with networking, learning, and growth. We will be celebrating the upcoming 40th anniversary of BNI at this convention. Can you believe it? 40 years of consecutive growth. That's what we're on track for. 40th anniversary. This year, we're offering incredible sessions, workshops, and opportunities to connect with BNI leaders from around the world, all while enjoying the scenic backdrop of Hawaii. We're excited to offer a mega chapter meeting this year as a special add-on experience. Attend and participate in the chapter meeting you all know and love, but on a global scale with business professionals from all around the world. Secure your spot today. And when you attend, please take a moment to come up and say hello to me. I love meeting and taking photos with members and directors. Aloha. I really look forward to seeing you there in Hawaii. This is Ivan Meisner, founder of BNI. Thanks for watching.